How to fix links not working on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to get links opening properly by switching to an external browser. First, open the Facebook app. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From there, tap the three lines at the top right to open the menu. Right here, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Next up, scroll down until you reach the Preferences section and tap on Media. Moving on, you'll see an option that says Open Links in External Browser. Go ahead and toggle it on. From here, with this enabled, any link you tap on Facebook will now open directly in Chrome or your default browser, instead of the built-in Facebook browser. After that, the built-in Facebook browser can sometimes fail to load certain links properly. Switching to an external browser is the most reliable fix for this issue. Following this, go back to Facebook and try tapping on a link to test if it's opening correctly now. Finally, if links are still not working after enabling this setting, long press the Facebook icon and tap App Info. Then tap on Storage and clear the cache before trying again. Hope this helped you fix the issue. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.